So we've come to the end of Module 12. Now at this point you need to be able to understand and carry out the TTS trading process thoroughly. You need to be able to correctly carry out the process of identifying the trade, entering, managing and exiting the trade. In order to do this, you must make sure you go back over everything we've just covered in this training up until now, and make sure that you are comfortable and fully understand all the concepts taught in this training. That means you cannot get anything wrong in any of the examples that I've already covered. So please go over all of them and make sure you know them like the back of your hand. The only way to fully achieve this is to practice, practice and practice. There is really no other shortcut. You have the real live market now to practice these strategies on endless trading opportunities. So there really is no excuse for a lack of practice. There are many scenarios that can occur during a trade. And this is why you have to do many practice trades, so you can go through as many different market moves as possible. This in turn will add to your experience, and with that, there really is nothing stopping you from becoming a successful and highly profitable forex trader. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University. Good luck and good trading.